This is why bush viper are called the beautiful but deadly snake. Meet the bush viper, a master of deception and ambush. With its triangular head and highly keeled scales, this viper is built for hunting in the dense undergrowth of the forest floor. The bush viper is armed with potent venom and sharp fangs, capable of delivering a swift and lethal strike to unsuspecting prey or threats. Despite its small size, the bush viper is a formidable predator, relying on stealth and ambush to capture its meals. With eyes that can detect the slightest movement and a body that blends seamlessly into its surroundings, this serpent is the epitome of a silent hunter. For in the realm of the beautiful yet deadly, the bush viper reigns supreme as a true testament to the wonders of the natural world.